Imagine a world where machines not only help you with tasks, but actually create things you've always considered uniquely human: books, art, music, and even voices you recognize. Welcome to the era of generative AI, where technology is taking creativity to a whole new level. It sounds like something from a sci-fi movie, right? But it's happening right now. That will make you rethink everything you thought you knew about the future. Let's get into it. First up, did you know that generative AI can write a whole book in just a few hours? That's right, entire novels, research papers, or even poetry collections. It's as simple as giving an AI tool like ChatGPT or Claude a prompt and letting it go to work. Let me break it down for you. Imagine you have a story idea, let's say a mystery set in the Victorian era or a futuristic sci-fi novel. With a single prompt, AI can generate hundreds of pages filled with characters, plot lines, twists, and dialogue, all while maintaining coherence and structure. And the crazy part? The writing doesn't feel robotic. In fact, it's becoming so advanced that many readers can't even tell if the story was created by a machine or a human. It's that good. There's even a trend of AI-written books being sold on Amazon Kindle, some of which have made it onto bestseller lists. The process is incredibly fast, where it might take a human writer months or even years to write a book, and AI can do it in hours. But that raises some big questions. What does it mean to be a writer now? Is it all about creativity, or is speed and efficiency the new currency in the world of publishing? AI might be reshaping the world of literature, and it's happening right before our eyes. Let's talk about art. AI-generated art is taking the art world by storm. And it's not just a passing trend. In fact, it's so big now that AI-created art is being sold for thousands of dollars. Yes, you heard that right. If you've ever heard of tools like Midjourney or DALL-E, you know they can take a simple text prompt and turn it into an elaborate and visually stunning piece of art. You could ask the AI to create an image of a dreamy sunset over a futuristic city, and within seconds, it'll generate a beautiful, detailed artwork based on your description. But it doesn't stop there. Artists are using these tools to push boundaries, creating hyper-realistic portraits, surreal landscapes, and abstract designs that challenge our understanding of art itself. And the craziest part? These AI creations are being sold in galleries and auctions for huge sums of money. In 2018, an AI-generated painting called Edmund de Bellamy was sold at Christie's auction house for over $400,000. Yes, that's more than most people's homes. And it's not just one-off pieces either. Some AI artists are now making a full career out of generating and selling AI-created art. The debate around this is intense. Should AI art be considered real art? Who owns the rights to AI-generated creations? And are we moving into a world where machines are the true artists and humans are just the curators? It's a fascinating time to be involved in the art world, and AI is making waves in ways we never expected. Now, let's talk about music. If you thought AI was limited to just text and images, think again. Generative AI is also composing music, and it's doing it better than you might think. AI tools like Suno and Udio are capable of generating full songs, complete with melodies, harmonies, lyrics, and instrumental arrangements. Whether it's classical music, pop, jazz, or electronic beats, AI is producing music that sounds incredibly professional. In fact, some tracks generated by AI are almost indistinguishable from music created by well-known human artists. But here's where it gets even more mind-blowing. AI can now clone voices. Yes, you can have an AI sing a song in the voice of your favorite artist, like Drake, Adele, or even Elvis Presley, without them ever recording a single note. This technology is already being used in viral songs where famous artists' voices are replicated so accurately, listeners don't even know the difference. And this has led to some serious ethical questions. Can AI music truly be considered original if it's using the voices of real artists? Who owns the rights to a song generated by AI? What happens to artists when AI can mimic their unique sound? It's raising a lot of eyebrows, especially as we enter a world where AI can do just about anything, including producing chart-topping hits. Generative AI has taken video manipulation to a whole new level. Enter deepfakes. These AI-generated videos can make it look like someone said or did something they never actually did. By analyzing thousands of hours of video footage, AI can now generate extremely realistic deepfake videos of people, even if they've never appeared in front of a camera. This technology uses algorithms to map a person's face and voice, then replicates their expressions, speech patterns, and movements. It's so advanced that you can have a deepfake of a political figure, celebrity, or historical person delivering a speech they never gave. While this has the potential for entertainment and creative projects, it also raises serious ethical concerns. How do we trust video content anymore? How do we ensure deepfakes aren't used for misinformation or manipulation? As deepfake technology advances, the line between reality and fiction becomes harder to draw. Generative AI isn't just writing books or creating art, it's also becoming a proficient programmer. AI tools like GitHub Copilot are capable of writing code, debugging, and even developing software applications. All you have to do is provide the AI with some specifications, and it can generate entire functions or even complex applications in a fraction of the time it would take a human developer. This isn't just about automating repetitive tasks. AI is now writing innovative and optimized code, making the software development process faster and more efficient. In fact, AI is already helping developers tackle complex coding problems and solve challenges that might take human developers days or even weeks to figure out. But does this mean the end of the human programmer? Absolutely not. While AI is a powerful tool, there's still a need for human creativity and decision-making when it comes to software design. However, it's clear that AI is going to play a huge role in shaping the future of software development, and it's already making a significant impact on how tech is created. One of the most fascinating applications of generative AI is its ability to predict future trends. Using vast amounts of data and complex algorithms, AI can analyze patterns and make predictions about everything from stock market movements to global weather patterns. For example, AI is used in finance to predict stock prices, currency fluctuations, and even cryptocurrency trends. It can process millions of data points in real time, spotting correlations and trends that human analysts might miss. Similarly, in the field of climate science, AI is helping predict future weather events, model the impact of climate change, and develop solutions to mitigate natural disasters. But while these AI systems can be incredibly accurate in some areas, they're not infallible. Predicting the future is always an uncertain endeavor, and AI models can only be as good as the data they are trained on. Still, the potential to use AI for prediction is vast, and it's already reshaping industries like finance, healthcare, and environmental science. Generative AI is now making waves in the healthcare industry, especially when it comes to diagnostics. AI tools are being used to analyze medical images like X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans with incredible accuracy. These tools can detect early signs of diseases like cancer, heart conditions, and neurological disorders, often with better precision than human doctors. In fact, AI has been shown to outperform radiologists in certain tasks, such as detecting breast cancer in mammograms. It doesn't stop there. AI is also helping to predict patient outcomes and recommend personalized treatment plans based on genetic data and medical history. With its ability to process vast amounts of data quickly, AI is revolutionizing the way we approach diagnosis and patient care, making healthcare faster, more efficient, and potentially saving millions of lives. As AI continues to improve, it could become a cornerstone in the future of personalized medicine. Generative AI is pushing the boundaries of virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, creating hyper-realistic digital worlds and experiences. Imagine stepping into a fully immersive video game, movie set, or even a virtual shopping mall where everything around you is generated in real time by AI. Using deep learning algorithms, AI can create 3D models, textures, and environments that look incredibly lifelike. AI can even simulate human movement, making avatars in virtual worlds behave naturally and respond to interactions in real time. This technology is already being used in the gaming industry, where AI creates dynamic, ever-changing worlds that adapt to the player's actions. But it's not just for entertainment. AI-powered virtual environments are also being used in education, training, and remote work, offering an unprecedented level of interactivity and immersion. We're just scratching the surface of what's possible with AI-generated virtual experiences, and the potential for innovation in this field is limitless. If you've ever felt like online ads seem to know exactly what you want, there's a good reason for that. AI is behind it. Generative AI is now capable of creating personalized marketing campaigns and advertisements on a massive scale. By analyzing customer data, browsing habits, and even social media activity, AI can generate ads that are tailored to individual preferences and behaviors. It can write copy, design graphics, and even create videos that speak directly to the target audience. The beauty of AI-generated marketing is that it can adapt in real time, optimizing campaigns for better engagement, conversions, and sales. For example, if an ad isn't performing well, AI can tweak it instantly, changing the headline, the call to action, or even the design to improve results. This ability to personalize ads at scale has made AI an invaluable tool in the marketing industry, enabling businesses to reach their customers with greater precision than ever before. Generative AI is not only limited to visual and text-based creations, it's now venturing into the world of music composition. AI tools can compose original pieces of music in any genre, from classical to electronic, and even create soundtracks for movies, video games, or commercials. By analyzing vast amounts of existing music, AI learns the patterns, structures, and emotions tied to different types of music. Then, it generates compositions that sound like they were created by human musicians, often with the same depth and complexity. Some AI programs are even capable of imitating specific artists, allowing for the creation of music in the style of famous composers or contemporary musicians. This technology is already being used in the entertainment industry to create background scores, jingles, and even entire albums. While AI-generated music raises questions about creativity and originality, it's undeniable that it's opening up new possibilities for music production, making it faster, more accessible, and even more personalized for different audiences. Conclusion of the 10 facts. From AI creating music that touches our hearts, to revolutionizing healthcare diagnostics, deepfakes, predictive analysis, and personalized marketing, the power of generative AI is reshaping every aspect of our lives. This technology isn't just about efficiency, it's pushing the boundaries of what's possible, unlocking new creative potentials, and solving problems we once thought insurmountable. But as we stand on the precipice of this AI-driven future, we must ask ourselves, how do we ensure we're using this power responsibly? How do we balance innovation with ethics, creativity with truth, and progress with accountability? One thing is certain, the future is being written by AI, and we have a chance to shape that narrative. What role will you play in this exciting new world?